Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are making which we call Marchant Haleem in Mauritius. I'm using green lentils, red lentils, and this is yellow split pea. And you can just use the black lentils as well because this is what I have. It does the same job basically, but this green lentils one, they cook very fast. What I'm going to do right now is just mix all of these dal together and then rinse it few times and then throw the water until the water goes clear, and then I'm going to soak the dal for at least half an hour to an hour. And that's done. I'm using oat instead of wheat. I'm going to add water and let this soak as well. Now my dal is already in the pressure cooker. I'm adding some salt, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a mix. Let it whistle for about 6 to 7 or until cooked completely. And now then check the dal. And the dal is looking good and creamy. Now, first I'm frying some onion. We need some fried onion, so fry until golden brown. And now the onion is looking gorgeous. Remove on a plate and set on a side. And the meat, I'm using beef with bone. Now add salt, black pepper, remaining ginger garlic paste. Now give everything a mix. And we are going to cook this until the meat catch some color. And now you can see the meat has some color. It's time to add the Haleem masala powder. You can use this store bought. This is basically my homemade, which I have already posted the recipe on my channel. You guys can type on my channel, just search Haleem masala powder and you're going to have the recipe. And for the Haleem recipe, I'm going to add all the ingredient measurement listed will be down below in the description box. To add the oats, mix, and let me tell you, the smell in this kitchen is so yummy. Now I'm going to add the cooked dal. Now mix. Approximately add about a liter of water. I'm just using the pressure cooker with the dal water. You can reduce the heat to medium low, and you want to cook this over medium low for the whole time. Now if you want it thicker, you can just leave it thicker, or if it's too thick for you, you can just add water. So add a little bit of more salt. Adjust your salt, add as much salt as you need according to your taste. It's been 45 minutes. Let's open up. I have added another 2 cups of water just for the Haleem not to get thicker and not to burn in the bottom. So now you can see after 45 minutes how the Haleem looks like. It's not ready yet, but it's almost there. It's been an hour and 20 minutes and now meat is super tender, guys. Look at that. I'm going to add some chopped cilantro and the fried onion. I'm just gonna save a little bit for decoration. Give it a mix, and the Haleem is now ready. It's looking so good. Get your toasted baguette and you're ready to go. Have your hot sauce and whatever you prefer with your Haleem. If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time with another one. For now, bye bye.